Okay guys, as you know, I love making behind the scenes content for you. So this company, Zhiyun, sent me this gimbal right here. This is the Weebill 3S gimbal. And so, of course, I want to make amazing content for you guys. It has smooth cinematic effect and is not shaking, so you enjoy the videos. And so I'm so excited to review this gimbal. As you can see, it's like very lightweight. I have it all set up here. I mean, look at the smooth movement here. So some of the features that I really love about this gimbal is, first of all, the battery life. I think it has like 11 hours of battery life. It has a Bluetooth, a shutter control. You can also use this gimbal vertical mode. So if you're a content creator and you want to make those TikTok reels or Instagram reels, the gimbal does actually switch to vertical mode. One of the other features that I really like about this gimbal is you can have it tracked. So you can actually configure or plug in, and the gimbal will also track for you. And I love that because you don't have to worry about trying to track it from your camera constantly. The last feature that I really like is it has this little light. So right now I'm about to do it behind the scenes, kind of sort of in the dark. So it has this little light. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. And this is in case I want a lot more light. What's cool about the light is you can actually, like, it can be a lot, you can adjust the brightness. And so I love that feature. Since it is getting a little darker, the same company also sent me a little LED light. So I'm going to go ahead and use that as a light source. And it also changes cool, and I'm gonna use it on top. So I'm actually gonna introduce Tyler. He's gonna be the one recording while I do the behind the scenes photo shoot. So bring that hand closer to you, that way I don't have it cut off. Yeah, maybe a little bit more. Bring the hand a little closer to you. There we go. That's perfect. Yeah, love these. One of the things when you guys are, taking pictures, I try not to cut off people's hands and stuff. So, if I'm shooting vertical, I'm just asking her to bring her hand just slightly closer. That's perfect too, actually. Let's do a few like that. That's great. Cute. Sure, I want you to hold it because you're filming, just so we can see a little bit of the difference. So they can also see the light through the film. See me, that's great. Beautiful. Yeah, these look so good.